That's right. Before we continue our countdown, here are a few times when nature struck back.
Don't open the door, she said. He came in the house once.
Well, this is why the car's over here.
She has the one. I know, Grandma.
I got that on video. Yeah.
Clay!
I hope the fresh ocean breeze is treating you well. We're yacht rocking our way to more vacation goofs when the Gotta Getaway Spring Break Countdown returns.
Coming up, we're going all in on our #1 countdown. Plus, our host will be keeping the good times rolling when the Gotta Getaway Spring Break Countdown